I've been trying to submit for some time. First and foremost, may I say that as of now, and I say now, the PO is secure. All these allegations that the PO has been demolished, destroyed, nothing is
All right.
correct.
Then you file an affidavit.
I can
Yes.
say one more thing, may I just say? As far as the demolition work that happened, that was not anyway, that was not in the PO or anywhere. That is for other room because there was a long-standing demand.
Sir, what was the urgency, sir?
The urgency is not, I'll tell you, Lordship, my Lord. That is that it's a restroom for doctors. That has got nothing to do with the PO. This entire work that is carried on, my Lord, I say.
All right, you go to any district court complex.
Yes.
You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go
That
to
is what
Siliguri.
is-
You
that
go
is
to
the-
Siliguri, sir.
But my Lord,
I am not talking off my cuff.
no, I am saying.
I say this with responsibility.
Yes.
And you are saying you go and visit the restrooms here.
Well,
What has the PWD done?
Today, when as far as the PO is concerned, the PO is fully secured.
Yes.
When the demolition
All
was
right,
carried out was outside,
All
much
right.
further
How
away from the
how many
PO.
patients are there? We'll close down the hospital. We'll shift all the patients to some other government hospital. We'll convince the patient party to cooperate. We'll shift everybody, close the hospital. Close the hospital. How many patients are there? Close the hospital, that will be the best. And all this story is saying that within 12 hours, restroom has to be provided. See the conditions, sir. See the condition in the court premises.
If I'm not, if PO is fully secured, I say it as of now.
We take it.
The entire submission. Your Lordship does not want to hear my submission.
Yes, sir.
But my submission is the issue is the PO. The PO I said as of now is also. There is no demolition work that has happened in the PO. I'm saying it with responsibility and on instruction.
We take your word. You let this be on record by whoever is the dean of the hospital or administrator of the hospital. Let him file saying that nothing has been done. You support.
Nothing is in the PO.
Yes. And you can substantiate with photographs. And you can say,
Yes.
and what was the work done? We are with an open mind, sir.
Yes,
But
that's all I'm praying for.
Yes. You should also be disturbed as a citizen of West Bengal. Having been brought and brought up
submissions
here.
are made, when
you should
submissions
say-
are made, with
Yes.
that also
It should
disturbs.
pain you. It should pain you also.
Look,
Pains me.
It does pain us. But when incorrect submissions are made, then your Lordship doesn't want to hear us, then it's a different
No.
thing.
It's not that way, sir.
Your
We have
Lordship.
been here. We have been.
I am categorically saying the PO is secure as of now.
We will take your word. Take your word. You let an affidavit come on record saying that the PO is safe. CBI is under investigation. If they want, they can controvert. They can also examine. They will-
We have no problem with that. Let them go. Have they made that is the investigating agency. Have they come and said that PO has been demolished?
We have not taken up the issue today. The matter has been listed today because several requests have come by the writ petitioners themselves reporting about this vandalism. So this vandalism, could it have been prevented, is the moot question. Who did it, for what purpose it was did, etc. There's a gross difference between 35 people and 7,000 people. How many entered the hospital? What was the reason to break all facilities in the emergency weeks? This can never be understood, sir.
May
I
I
don't
submit
think so.
this?
Such things has occurred in any other part of the
I
country.
have with me, well, it's just that I cannot show it to your Lordship. The amount of resistance the police were putting up and how this
It
vandalism.
is true, sir. The police are also injured. That's
Yes,
sufficient.
even a rank of deputy commissioner has got injured. The other officers are also injured. That is,
So therefore,
but today
is it a failure of the law and order situation?
it is not.
That shows the helplessness of the state police authorities, and that is why we pray for deployment of central paramilitary forces.
Wait.
That is the
Mr. Bakshi, please.
merit.
Therefore, some things should instill confidence in the mind of the court, sir. This is
If I may, just my point is, this situation is very unfortunate. What is happening? Both sides suffering. I'm a doctor from Calcutta, although I mostly live in USA. But these doctors strike. Now, more patients are dying, poor patients. This doctor strike. Here is the Supreme Court. All I want, a Supreme Court order. We went.
No, we are going to hear the doctor.
No, it's different thing. It's different thing.
Let him hold these questions, Milord. We are on a different.
Dr. Vai, you please file your
Well, he
petition.
stays in USA. He is so much interested in Calcutta affairs. That's significant.
Wait,
Please,
Let us.
what?
you
You should not.
We know you.
you should first
know you very well.
understand the agony your fraternity is
Yes.
going through.
Totally. I'm with them.
So
But
we will
not
grant
by
you.
shutting down hospital. Milord, what is happening?
Yes, it has to be because
Only one hospital is
today
struggling.
Strike is in the just one. What Supreme
No,
Court?
we will not receive anything. You please file your
And
papers.
this matter on Monday has to be
Yes,
mentioned. To be mentioned.
Leave is granted.
leave is granted to file. Please
Your
sign.
Lordship,
Yeah.
parallelly, a committee may be formed only for, Your Lordship, the condition of female doctors there who are working, who are studying is precarious. A judicial committee may be created only to suggest what state could take measures to improve the condition. This is required. This is required. Not only safety, plus the hygiene, Sexual Harassment Act, which has been brought in as a law. This is also workplace. The basic requirement of a human being is not being given to in any of the government hospital. The public toilets are worse than a gutter. I'm uttering this word, Your Lordship. As a public citizen, I cannot go to a public hospital for treatment because I do not want to be in such situation. But my state doctors are compelled to work there because they want to study, they want to improve the society by giving them medical facility. So a judicial committee only to suggest, I'm not against the state.
All right, we will consider a prayer at the appropriate.
Sir, my lord, as a matter of fact, my lord, Mr. Banerjee, I don't think he was apprised of that, my lord. My lord, there were two acts, my lord. One was breakage of a wall, if your lordship remember. The second.
No, that we will go into ground later.
Yes.
Mr. Banerjee has told.
My lord, that was, my lord, as a matter of fact, of the joint, my lord, decision taken by the protesting doctors and the hospital.
See, you bring on record.
What to carry out at that point of time after the CBI was
The thing is-
that is the
I have that.
No,
It was not at the place of occurrence.
just not in the
that
is a
actually a purge, Mr. Banerjee.
That's just in the place of reference.
The place of occurrence is completely secure. Let the affidavit with photographs, etc. come on. No issues. Now, what is the issue is, if suppose this incident which occurred on 14th is repeated in any other institution, what like? So, if the police are injured, they are unable to control the mob, then the law and order situation has failed. That's it. That's the bottom line of it.
But may I say this?
Something must be done.
Definitely, my lord, but kindly, my lord, also keeps this in mind, my lord. This kind of, my lord, I may not say mob, but a demonstration has happened all over Calcutta. That
Not a single one was
No,
violent.
There was no violence there.
It only over here that the violence broke out.
There were demonstrations all over, but not only Calcutta.
Even bigger in number than this. But everyone was peaceful.
Well, that, well, if your lordship falls for your lordship, I cannot stand in the way. There might have been a lapse. But my lord, I am only trying to submit, my lord, that it has not occurred anywhere.
These were posted there.
Then why this institution alone?
I'm submitting, my lord, that there was, my lord, what we found is, my lord,
সেদিন কথা বলিস এরা সেদিন কথা বলিস আর এই যেদিন এরা ফল পড়লো সেদিন কথা
That is what we are saying.
And the promise of the lordship, sir, well, I shall have you lordship will kindly see them.
But just to repel the contentions of the state, my lord, I would just submit, my lord, that we are in, my lord, possession of video footages to show, my lord, that these demonstrators, these mob, my lord, they were carried, my lord, in lorries. The police granted them free access, my lord. We have the videos. We have referred to the videos also, my lord, in the application. This is nothing but a state-sponsored act, my lord, which was deliberately designed